Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hoping that you are all well, let's start learning about computer science. Students, as you know that we are discussing chapter number 7, that is basics of WordPad. Students, yesterday we have discussed about view documents. Today we are going to learn about to display the status bar. The status bar is located at the bottom of the GUI. Students, you know that GUI means graphical user interface that shows the user different information about the program he is using. To display the status bar, on the View tab, in the Show or Hide group, select the status bar checkbox. It will display the status bar. Click it again to remove the checkbox and status bar will hide. Our next topic is to change the word wrap setting. Students, word wrapping is when a line of text automatically moves to the next line when it gets to the end of a line. To change the word wrap setting of WordPad window, on the View tab, in the Settings group, click on the drop-down arrow next to the word wrap. Here we have a list of word wrapping styles. You can select any of the settings. As I have selected no wrap and my word window is changed. Next topic is to change the unit of measurement on the ruler. To change the unit of measurement on the ruler, click on View tab. On the View tab in Settings group, click the drop-down arrow next to the measurement unit. Here we have 4 units of measurement. Number 1 inches, number 2 centimeters, number 3 points, and fourth one is picus. You can select any of the unit as you want. Our next topic is change page margins. Change page margins, click on WordPad menu button, then click page setup and then select the option that you want. You can change the page size, orientation, portrait or landscape. You can also change the margins. And then when you have set your page margins or select the page size, click OK. Our next topic is print documents. To print a document, click on WordPad menu button, then select print. Students, you can use print preview to see how your document will look before you print it. Click on print preview. When you are finished previewing your document, click on print. A dialog box will appear on your computer screen. Select the printer and then click print. Students, it's time to solve the exercise related to our today's topic. First of all, mention today's date as today is Saturday, 5th December 2020. And our question number 1 is, fill in the missing letters in the following clouds. Students, here you can see that we have different clouds. In these clouds, we have words with their missing letters. Students, these words are taken from our reading. Let's start solving these. In the first cloud, we have the word starting from S. And this word contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This word is 9 letters. So dear student, this word contains 9 letters. Let's start finding this word in our reading. Students, in this page we have underlined some words starting from S. Number 1 is size. Next we have underlined select, status bar and settings. So let's count their letters. Size has 4 letters. Select is 6 letters word, whereas status bar is 9 letters word. So status bar is our desired word. Students, we have found our first word, that is status bar. Let's start finding the second one, starting from S. And this word is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This word contains 8 letters. Students, in this page we have underlined some words that are starting from S. Our first word is settings, second one is setup, and third one is select. As you know that select and setup are not 8 letters word and setting is 8 letters word. So settings is our desired word. Write it in our cloud. Students, we have found our second word, that is settings. By following the same pattern, we will find all these missing words. Students, I have found all these missing words. Third one is paragraph. Fourth one is measurement. Number 5 is formatting. Sixth is alignment. And the number 7 and last one is accessories. Dear student, that's all for today. Hoping that you have clear understanding of today's topic. Solve it on your book and learn it by heart. Take care. Allah Hafiz.